5x and a lightning storm, 4x and a battery charger. And what is this? 2x and a number 4 monster mash. Good luck. Here's number 6. Lightning storm, ladies and gentlemen. 5 times multiplier.
Lightning storm.
Let's go, players. Hello and welcome. Welcome to Lightning Storm. Glad you made it. The weather is perfect. The 5 times multiplier gets involved on this lightning grid, or with this lightning grid. Now, 3 options, players. Which lightning strikes bring you the best multiplier? Lightning strike number 1. $250x. Moving on to the next one. Oh, global multiplier gets involved as well. 3x. Improving the already impressive multipliers. All right, what's with the second strike? Oh, man. 675x, players. Can you dig it? All right, we're moving on to the third and final strike. 200x. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Quick recap. First one, 250x. Second one, 675x. Third one, 200x.